Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix your right AirPod if it's not working. This issue usually happens due to connectivity problems, sound settings, or charging issues in your AirPods charging ports. Let's go through these troubleshooting steps to get it working again. Solution 1. Change audio balance. There are some specific settings on your iPhone that can cause such issues. So go to your iPhone settings and scroll down a bit and tap accessibility. Now scroll down once more and tap audio and visual. In here, toggle off mono audio. After that, scroll down a bit and go to the balance section. Make sure the balance slider is set in the middle. If it's set to the right side or the right side, it can cause issues like this. So set the slider in the middle and get out from your settings. Now try to play some music or video. Solution 2. Factory reset your AirPods. Resetting the AirPods is the most surefire way to solve issues like this. But first, you need to forget your AirPods. On your iPhone phone settings, tap Bluetooth. In here, find your AirPods and tap the eye icon next to it. Select Forget this device and confirm your action. After this, get your AirPods. Put both AirPods in the charging case. Open the lid of the charging case. On other AirPod models, you'll need to press and hold down to the button in the back of your AirPods charging case. Hold the button for 15 seconds. After that time has passed, the light of your AirPod will flash red, then white. That means reset is complete. For the model I'm holding, it has a touch response. So if you have this model, first open the lid of the charging case, then you'll have to keep tapping below the light indicator in front of the charging case. Tap 2 times, 2 times, 2 times, and 2 times. At this point, the light should be blinking red. If it doesn't work, then close the lid and open it again. Then repeat the tapping process. This time, it will work. Now it will blink in red a few times and then it will turn white. This means the AirPods have been reset. After the buds have been reset, try to connect the AirPods and see if your problem is fixed or not. Solution 3. Clean the charging port. Another main reason why your AirPod is not working is probably because it's not getting any charge. So open the lid of your AirPods and bring out your right AirPod. Now first, just blow into the charging hole in the AirPod to bring out the pent-up dust. If that doesn't work, get a cotton bud or something similar to clean the charging area of your right AirPod. After that, put both of the AirPods in the case and charge your AirPods with a charger. After charging it, connect it with your iPhone and check your issue. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you resolve your right AirPod problem. If it was useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and fixes. Catch you in the next one.